Hey, this is Sir Charles Cary. Welcome back to Song Titles and Motivation. Today I want to talk to you for a moment or two about this song that I know you all heard. It's been remade probably 20, 30 times. A song by the Rolling Stones. I can't get no satisfaction. Remember that? I can't get no... Well, the key of the song and how that relates to song titles and motivation is simply this. Are you satisfied? Are you getting the satisfaction that you need out of your daily life? Are you getting the satisfaction that you need out of your recreational life? What about your career or your entrepreneurial endeavors? You know, many times we don't get the satisfaction because we simply don't know what we don't know. And that can be a problem. So why is it that we don't know things? Well, there are many reasons. Sometimes we don't know things because we think we know it all. Sometimes we don't get what we need out of a situation is simply because we do not have access. Now, in order for you to really get ahead in any walk of life, recreational, social, business, whatever it may be, even personal, sometimes you have to understand you'll need access to information, access to a process, access to really give you answers that you don't have. So when something's going wrong, instead of pointing the finger, maybe you should just pause and ask yourself, what is it that I'm doing well? What could I do better? Sometimes you may have to actually rely on other resources. As I say it all the time, radiate the brain and change the game.